SpaceX, a name synonymous with innovation, a company pushing the boundaries of space exploration. But what if their revolutionary technology could reshape the way we travel here on Earth? Imagine a world where airplanes, powered by SpaceX engines, soar through the skies, transforming air travel as we know it. SpaceX has made extraordinary strides in rocket reusability, pioneering the concept of landing and reusing rockets, which has drastically reduced the cost of space travel. This groundbreaking technology, coupled with their development of powerful and efficient methane-fueled engines, like the Raptor engine used in Starship, holds immense potential for the future of aviation. These engines, designed for interplanetary travel, possess the power and efficiency to propel aircraft at unprecedented speeds and with reduced fuel consumption. Imagine boarding an airplane in New York and arriving in Tokyo in a fraction of the current flight time. This is the promise of SpaceX technology applied to aviation. The implications of SpaceX's technology for air travel are profound. Imagine slashing travel times by half or even more. Flights from London to Sydney could be completed in a matter of hours, not the grueling 20+ hours we endure today. The efficiency of methane-fueled engines also translates into significant fuel savings. This means airlines could operate more flights with less fuel, reducing operating costs and potentially lowering airfares for passengers. This efficiency doesn't just benefit our wallets, it also benefits the environment. Reduced fuel consumption means reduced carbon emissions, a crucial step towards more sustainable air travel. The aviation industry is a significant contributor to global carbon emissions. Traditional jet fuel is a major source of pollution. SpaceX's methane-fueled engines offer a cleaner alternative. Methane, as a rocket fuel, burns cleaner than traditional jet fuel, producing significantly fewer greenhouse gas emissions. This transition to cleaner fuel sources is essential for mitigating the environmental impact of air travel. Furthermore, the increased efficiency of these engines reduces fuel consumption, further lessening the environmental footprint of aviation. This shift towards sustainable aviation technology is crucial for the health of our planet. Safety and savings in the skies. SpaceX has a stellar safety record, driven by their relentless focus on engineering excellence and rigorous testing procedures. Applying this same meticulous approach to aviation could lead to even safer skies. The cost-effectiveness of reusable rockets has revolutionized space travel. Imagine the same principles applied to airplanes. Reusable aircraft components could significantly reduce manufacturing and maintenance costs for airlines. These savings could then be passed on to passengers in the form of lower airfares, making air travel more accessible and affordable for people worldwide. Reshaping the world, one flight at a time. The integration of SpaceX technology into aviation has the potential to reshape our world. Faster, more efficient, and more affordable air travel could bridge geographical barriers, fostering global connectivity and cultural exchange. Imagine a world where distance is no longer a barrier to business meetings, family vacations, or educational opportunities. This interconnectedness could lead to increased global trade, collaboration, and understanding, ushering in a new era of globalization. Beyond the horizon, the future of aviation. The possibilities are limitless. Hypersonic travel, once the realm of science fiction, could become a reality. Imagine traveling from New York to London in under an hour. SpaceX's expertise in reusable spacecraft could pave the way for a new generation of reusable aircraft, further reducing costs and environmental impact. The future of aviation is brimming with possibilities, and SpaceX's innovative technologies are poised to propel us into this exciting new era. A universe of possibilities. The marriage of SpaceX's revolutionary technology and the aviation industry holds the key to unlocking a future of faster, cleaner, and more connected air travel. It's a future where the skies are no longer the limit, but a gateway to a world of possibilities. As we venture further into the 21st century, let us embrace the spirit of innovation and explore the boundless opportunities that lie ahead, propelling humanity towards a brighter and more interconnected future.